Hi guys, welcome to Only Match Tutorial Point. Today in this video we are going to cover revision test 2 of SSC 10th class mathematics. Topics are chapter 2 that is sets, chapter 4 that is pair of linear equations in two variables, chapter 10 that is mensuration, chapter 11 that is trigonometry. Okay, let's start. So in section A guys, they gave that is 2 marks questions. Answer all the questions. Each question carries 2 marks. So in this video I am going to cover first section. In the next video I am going to cover section 2 and section 3 like that. Okay, let's start. So here guys, what is given? The base diameter and height of a cone is 12 centimeters, 8 centimeters. Then find CSA. Find curved surface area of a cone. Okay, draw a cone with radius and height. Okay, first I don't know what is given in the question. Given that the diameter of a cone is 12 centimeters, therefore diameter is 2 times of radius, right? Therefore radius equal to 6 guys. Okay, height of the cone is 8 centimeters. That is given. We need to find the CSA, curved surface area of a cone. We need to find. Now, what is curved surface area of a cone formula? L equal to, actual formula is A equal to pi r L. So CSA of a cone is A equal to pi r L guys. So R value is known, but L value we don't know. L value is nothing but slant height we call. So see how this one is looking like, say, a right angle triangle, right? With the base R and height is 8 centimeters. Find the slant height. Okay, using hypotenuse square equal to opposite square plus adjacent square using Pythagoras theorem. So find the value of L. We get 10 guys. 100 root that equal 10. So now substitute the values in the formula. 22 by 7 into 6. R is 6. L is 10. Simplify. We get 188.57 centimeters square. 188.57 centimeters square. Okay. I hope you understand this first sum. The next video we are going to cover second question of 2 marks. Okay. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos and for more updates. Thank you.